welcome to class. I should say it. I should tell you what I play. Èmi lọ́lọ́hun fún, èmi lọ́lọ́hun fún, ẹnìkan tọrọtọrọ, Ọlọ́hun ò fún, èmi lọ́lọ́hun fún. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about how to play the talking drum as a non-Yoruba. Many people have said that I don't think I can play Yoruba. I wish I can play Yoruba so that I can play the talking drum. You don't have to be a Yoruba before you can play the talking drum. Anybody can play the talking drum. At least you've seen, if you have not seen, white people, Americans, they play the talking drum. I have somebody from Brazil, yeah, and he's learning the same drum, he's playing the talking drum. It doesn't speak Yoruba at all. In fact, if you are a Nigerian, probably you are Igbo, you are Edo, you are Delta, you are Hausa. We have advantage more than all those people because our basic language might be different, but at the same time, we still have some things that bring us together. So anybody can play the talking drum, and part of how that can be done is what we did in episode 1, playing the do re mi. Once you know do re mi, you can play anything with that do re mi, and you will play it effectively. Just get the basic. So as a non-Yoruba, your interest should be, once you have the 3 notes in your head and you can actually apply them to rhythm, then you don't have any problem. When you are playing the do re mi, you are playing it, you are enjoying it, you are putting rhythm into it. In fact, you can play Alujo without do re mi, and as soon as you're doing that, you are enjoying what you're doing. When you enjoy what you do, it's a lot easier for any other person to learn from. Okay, so if you persist in playing do re mi, you can rearrange it. From rearranging it, you'll be able to play more, you'll be able to create more rhythm, you'll be able to create more Alujo, you'll be able to create more groove. Yes, so basically, worry less about proverb, about different things. Just make sure you know how to play a very good groove. That one is not Yoruba, it's not Hausa, it's not Igbo. It is what? Rhythm. Do re mi. Do re mi is do re mi. So you can arrange it anyhow you want it and create good rhythm, create good Alujo. When you see people play Alujo, don't worry yourself about what they are saying. I can't play because I don't understand what they are saying. You don't have to understand it. But it's dangerous for you to play what every other person is playing if you don't know the meaning. So create your own. You can do it. And if you are sure of what they are saying, thank God people now chorus what they play. So you can actually look for the meaning. But as far as I'm concerned, you really don't need to understand Yoruba before you can start playing. Maybe in the course of playing the drum can now intentionally teach you how to speak Yoruba. But you can actually play very good rhythm, create better groove than even the Yoruba speaking guys. Another thing is that it's not gender bias. You have seen different people, Ayabumi, Aralola, all of them, there are plenty that are actually playing this drum, and with that, you should know that it's not just guys play this, anybody can play the drum. The easiest way to play it as a non-Yoruba or Yorubas that doesn't understand Yoruba that cannot speak Yoruba, I'm lucky, let me put it that way, because maybe if I was brought up in another country, probably I would not be able to speak Yoruba. But man, mo dúpẹ́ tèmi, mo gbọ́ Yoruba díẹ̀. Anyway, anybody can actually play the talking drum, and you cannot be restricted because of language. This is beautiful pattern. Do re mi and Ndewo is falls under do re mi. Nakwana falls under do re mi. You understand? So you can actually create anything in your own local dialect, your local language, and you can play it on the talking drum. Talking drum is not restricted to Yoruba. Yes, they invented it, or they are the one playing it more. Yes, if that's okay. It might be an advantage, but that does not mean the drum cannot make any other language. Inakwana Ndewo. You can sing any song, any language. He speaks English, so which other language? Depends on who is holding this stick and this drum. Whatever you want the drum to do, it's going to do it. So that's the mindset I want you to carry. So that anytime you are playing your talking drum, this is a talking drum, not Yoruba drum. It might come from Yoruba land, just like drum set, keyboard, conga, every other musical instrument that we use anyway. It came from different parts of the world, but we're using them anyway. Guitar. Did we invent it? No. But you look at what Sonny Ade, Ebenezer Obey, Sino Peters, all of them, Orlando, Rolling Dollar, all of them have used the guitar extremely well, and so the talking drum can be used to sing your own song, to your dialect, to speak your own dialect. So anybody can use the talking drum. Anyway, so let's do this again next time. If you want to be part of this, you want to support us in any way, please go ahead and do that. We have number on the screen. You can support us in every way, any way you feel you can support us. And the best thing you can do for us is to share this video, like it, subscribe to our channel, and let's go so that we can reach more people. I love you all. If you have questions, in the comment section. You want to know more, come to Ayiki TV on YouTube and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Twitter at Ayiki, at I am Ayiki, on Instagram and TikTok. Ayiki, not one E. Okay, so follow us. So I see you again next time. My name is Ayiki. I choose them. Love you all.